hope by now you should have watched my simple guide on how to make lechon belly. Kahit pa sobrang sarap, sinigurado kong may natira in order to make this day after lechon makeover we call lechon paksiw. Tara, luto tayo! We are going to prepare our already sliced leftover lechon belly. Note na diniscard na natin yung filling, leaving just the meat and the skin. For this recipe, pwede din gumamit ng tirang lechon kawali. Next is to prepare ang ating panggisa, which are isang pirasong sibuyas, mga 6 na butil ng bawang. Makikita nyo po yung exact ingredients natin sa description below. So start na tayong manggisa sa pinainit na mantika. Umpisahan natin sa sibuyas. Translucent ng sibuyas, isunod na natin yung ating bawang. And then our store-bought lechon sauce. We add in 1 cup of water. Three pieces of bay leaves or dahon ng laurel. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. At idagdag natin yung ating 1/2 cup of vinegar. Pagkadagdag natin ng vinegar, isi-simmer lang natin to, open and without mixing. Pagkatapos na ma-simmer ng about 5 to 10 minutes, idadagdag na natin yung ating tirang lechon. We'll then let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. By this time, melt in your mouth na yung tenderness ng ating meat. At huli nating ilalagay yung ating liver spread. So we just make sure we blend together yung liver spread to the rest of the sauce. And then pwede natin tong tikman. And dagdagan ng salt and pepper if needed. We just then let it simmer for just about 5 to 10 more minutes. And we're ready to serve. You can tell how tasty the sauce is. And of course, this will be perfectly paired with white rice. Especially kung halos nalulunod na yung kanin natin sa sauce ng lechon paksiw. Kain na po tayo!